Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in deep cherry red. It looks great. You do have the bug deflector up front that matches your chrome grille there. You do have your tow hooks with your chrome bumper right down there, and bifunction projector style headlights right there with your fog lights hanging out down there. Coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with our Firestone brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice. You do have your running boards along the bottom, as well as you have your heated exterior mirrors here, and they are the tow mirrors. So all you gotta do is push them up like this, and they do fold up, and you can see even farther back. Coming all the way around back here, we do have a 5-foot box, but we also have the Ram boxes on here, which are super cool. All you gotta do is press this button, open them up, and you got lots of room just in there. And you have an identical one on the other side. As I said, 5-foot box back here. You got the Laramie badging, you have your backup camera, and your dual exhaust with your park sensors. Fold that down. Lots of room back here. You do have that guy there as well, and it does have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have 2 presses to activate the remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for you. Now you also have this button here that does do the air ride suspension. Now if it is locked, it does have the proximity keyless entry. You just got to have the key on your person, put your hand in there, and it will unlock for you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting and a nice wood finish up here. Handle here and some storage just down here with a water bottle holder. Looks fantastic in here. The leather trimmed seats are very nice. You do have the control of your seats here, so back and forward, tilt, lumbar support, and you also have the seat memory there. Now over here we do also have the controls of our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as you press it in, you got your fog lights, and right there you do have your in-cabin light control. Right up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start up here. So put the foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Okay, right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our battery life and our oil up there. It does say how many kilometers we have on this vehicle, as well as the temperature outside, and we also have which way we're facing. Now we can switch that around to the vehicle info. We also have our fuel economy, our trip A and B. We also have our trailer tow, our audio, stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Right over here you do have the control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel auto, lock and low, as well as the neutral right there. You have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display right here, so you got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as you also have your media tab. You have one hooked up through disc, USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You have your controls over heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, and your mirror dimmer. You got your climate control here as well. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your navigation here, so if you hit view map, you can see we are on Rec Place. Then you also have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, plus your settings. When you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera hanging out there. And then right down here, we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and browser. AC, circulation, heat up and down. You got the power here, off and auto. You also have the front and rear defrost. Trailer brake, air ride suspension there to make it go up and make the vehicle go up and down. You also have your traction control, your heated and vented seats, your your tow and haul mode, your park sensors, and then the same for the other side. You also have some storage here. Got your gear shift right here, some storage, and some cup holders right there. In the center, you have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You do have some coin holders here, as well as an SD card, aux cord, and USB plug-in. Sorry, 2 USB plug-ins. You can fold this down, lift this up, and you got some storage in there with a CD player just over there. Then over here, we do have our top layer glove box, as well as the bottom layer right there. You also have the controls over the sunroof right here, and the little window in the back, and the universal garage door opener. And there is our sunroof. It looks great. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have your chrome accenting. You got this guy here, which is a little bit of wood finish. Got handle here, storage here, and some more down here. Looks fantastic back here. Very comfortable as well. The seats are the same as the front. You also have this guy right here. You can fold it down. You got some armrests and some cup holders. Got some more cup holders just there, and you also have heated seats back here. You can fold this up. You got this little guy. You pull that, and you got some storage just underneath there. And on the other side, there is a subwoofer to blast your music. Under the floors here, you do have some storage as well. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.